Guess who's back?
Yeah, guess who's back?
Today we're gonna be working on the F350. We're gonna finish up some LED lights that I just recently started putting on. I'm sorry guys, I haven't had a chance to grab the camera and video record this stuff, but I wanna finish it up because I've got some exciting news today. We have a new project, right Ethan?
Yeah, right.
What color is the new project? Can you tell them something about the project? A little hint?
Silver!
Silver? And what's it look like?
There's buttons and stuff in it, and it's so cool.
So stay tuned. It is a beautiful day today, and I wanted to take some time to upgrade the LED lights, or the old lights to LEDs on the truck. Number one, I guess they last longer from what I hear, but besides that, I wanted more safety. I want people to see me on the road, whether it's raining, storming, or even at night, you know, and plus it gives I guess a more modern look to the flatbed on the truck. So I will show you what they look like afterwards. They're really inexpensive to purchase, and it's a really simple job to do. So enjoy what's next. The little stool that I'm sitting on today, it was a gift to me by one of my dear friends, Barry Buchanan out in California. And what's cool about it is that I grew to really love this little bench because I can put my tools in it, I can roll around, and I have everything at my disposal right there, and I don't have everything scattered around. You're gonna see it throughout the video. I'll put a link below if you're interested. I think it's a must-have in anyone's garage. Okay, some breaking news. Ethan just got something new.
It's a sword.
Yeah! Isn't that cool? Where'd you get this from?
Mr. Tip.
One of our neighbors made this sword for him. Isn't that awesome?
It's good.
That was the breaking news, and now back to the project.
We're back to the wardrobe room. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. We're gonna reveal the new car now.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah? How excited are you?
They already know that the car is silver.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to reveal it?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. You could probably tell from the silhouette already for you car guys out there. But Ethan is going to reveal the car. And that's right. It's a Trans Am. I'm sure you guys kind of guessed it through the silhouette of the car. Yeah, it's an 85. Beautiful car. I mean, it's a diamond in the rough. And not even like incredibly rough. It just needs some TLC, some cleaning up and everything. And you know that's what I love to do. So let me go around here. Get rid of this thing. You guys know my last project on the 1500, I had the same situation, and that was one of the first things I did on that truck. So of course, that's the very first thing I wanted to do here. Look at that. Such a beautiful sight. Isn't it beautiful? I'll tell you now a little bit more about the story behind this car and how I got to own it. So this car was owned by hopefully a really good friend now. We just hit it off. We have a lot of things in common. We're the same age, and we've gone through, I guess, with the car situation, through a lot of similarities. So it was a father and daughter project. This car was completely gone through as far as the bodywork, taking the paint down to the metal, and the car is completely solid. And he did this custom color, and I mean, he has pictures of him and his daughter working on it, the car in the paint booth, and I'm gonna talk to him more because I definitely want to get a hold of those pictures so I can show you guys what the car was up to this point. Over time, he just had less and less time for the car, right? And so it happens, you've heard this story before. I think it's really important for us to be able to make time for stuff like this that brings us joy and brings us happiness. So he was very, very reluctant on letting go of the car, but we grew up so fond of these cars, and when we got to talking about the different things of these cars specifically, he was just like, you're the right person to own this car. I get it up and running and cleaned up and looking the way it should. I really want to keep it as stock as possible as far as the outside with the GTA wheels, and you know, get some newer tires because those tires are just they've had it, they're done. Some tint on the windows, making it look really, really clean. Here's my helper coming over here now.
Have a Nerf gun.
This car's gonna turn out looking like a gem. It really is a gem already. It just needs a little bit of help, and I can't wait to show you guys on this one. It has Flowmasters on it, which is like the ideal sound that I love out of these cars. And that 305, hey, it doesn't have a lot of power, but it gets it going. Just bring this thing back to life and getting it on the road, because that's just what it deserves right now. I'm super excited about this project. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I'm going to share with you every step of the way. Until next time,